Hi guys, welcome to the Saving Money Show. Me, your host Sean. Now we've got a few things to talk about. We're going to have some specs. We're going to have penny stock. I think is worth going into, and we're going to have news about Workhorse. Going to start off with Workhorse. So those non-Workhorse, so those people who are only interested in the Workhorse news don't have to stick around if they don't want to, although I'd rather you did. Now, you can see that they've increased the mileage per charge, which is good news, and received a purchase order from Pride Group Enterprises. Now you're getting the bears saying, yeah, but how many have they actually delivered? Listen, they have the facilities to manufacture this, like with Lordstown, and they're looking into other facilities, but as well as that, they're taking on more staff, and they can't go out and purchase these facilities if they don't have the orders to back them up. We all know about the USPS order, but that hasn't been made public yet. They can't go to a bank, get a loan on the basis that, well, we might get the USPS contract. They need solid orders so they can sort out the manufacturing, and these do it. Why do you think these big companies are putting in these orders? Because they have a superior product, and it's with the vouchers, it's well worth them doing. Now, I was asked about my channel before. It's smaller than most others, and trust me, I have given tips to some of the ones who are bigger. As a matter of fact, I mentioned first of all about Workhorse to Jack Spencer and a few others. I'm not saying that I put them onto it, because there was other people saying the same thing. However, I talk about stocks when they're not core, when everyone else is, because I want you to have the same chance as me to make money. I'm not here to be scrambling around for subscribers. That's why I'm not asking for them at the beginning of the video. I hate it when the first few minutes of a video are taken up by someone asking you to hit that like button, subscribe and everything. That's why mine is in the middle or to the end of the video. Anyway, let's get on with it. And first mark, Horizon Acquisition Core. What can I tell you about first mark? Well, apart from the fact it's under $11. Well, fmac.u if you want the units. It's a US based tech business. The CEO is a guy from DraftKings. He has a background with Shopify, Riot and Pinterest, Imperfect Foods, Discord and Amaze. The CEO likes everything that Matt Paulson, from the CEO of Amaze, posts. Now that could be just the fact that they used to work together, or it could be as they're gearing up to work together again. Now, The management team, really experienced, really good. I really like the feeling of this. And I think they're going to pick someone good. Now, it will be 30 million shares at $10 each, and each unit will include a 1/3 warrant, which isn't too bad. We prefer a half warrant, but it's better than some of them who have an 1/8 warrant. To buy a share at $11.50. Now, we'll trade the symbol FMAC, seeking a technology company, and potential targets are consumer media, artificial intelligence, blockchain, high-speed wireless internet, and cloud computing. I do think it's a good one to have, or at least to park some money, and I will be putting some money into it. I won't be going over the top. However, another place I will be putting some money. I'm letting you guys know beforehand. I don't like those people who come out with videos. I've just put money in this, and listen, I've told you before how, for instance, my check stock just went up 560% today, and I sold out of it. But I informed you guys about that back in June, when it's still penny stock, and you had the chance to get in the same time as me. Now, and I said since then as well how I think it'd be a good stock to get into. I'm not the type of guy who waits until after I get in to tell you guys. Or if I do, it's because, you know, I see it rising and I haven't got a chance to do a video before. You know, I just see it going up, up, up. But 95% of the time, I let you guys know before I go in, and that's the case with this. It is a small market cap, 121 million, so you've got to be careful. It's on the Nasdaq, but I do think, of course, there's not much you can say, but they are bringing in money, and you see the liabilities are well covered by their assets, and the money they've been bringing in will be see the current assets, they can pay 10 times over I do think this is going to be a good one. It is a speculative one, so do not go putting all your money in, but I do like it. Another company I'm going into, TAUG. It's in the CBD market with gummy bears, a number of others. I'm not going in heavy because I already have Planet 13 and a couple of others. Very low market cap, 27 million, but it does have a diverse range of products, and I do think it's one of these, It's run up quite a bit, so it's one of these, it's a hit or miss one. It'll either make it you rich or fall flat on itself. Another one, because we're running out of time, I can't go into it too much, is Nova Mentis. It's one that I'm still looking into, but if it does what I think it will, I will go into it. But just wanted to give you the heads up, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and comment in the box below. I'll see you in the next video.